So who needs to go camping when you have wildlife right in your backyard, in the middle of the city?
She's lost her land again. They lost my friend. Lost her land again.
So hey friends, for the past 3 nights something has been getting in my backyard. They've been rooting around the bottom of the bird feeder where the bird seed falls and tearing up the grass there. But what really brought it to my attention that there's something lurking back here at night is they have left me 3 little presents lately. At first I thought a dog must be getting in my backyard, but now I'm not so sure. So I decided tonight I'm going to try to film it and see if I can figure out what this is in my yard. So I wanted to light up the bird feeder area so if something does come I'll be able to see it. And I got my Lucy light out of my van and it no longer works. I'm really bummed out about that. I don't know if it's because I left it in my dash too long and it just fried it from the heat. I'm not sure, but that's a bummer. I love that thing. But I went in my garage and I found these lights, so I think that this will do it. I'm not even sure where these came from. They might have come from Leanna, I'm not sure, but anyway, yeah, I'm glad I have them. Kind of handy. So hopefully this will work. Let's see what we can catch. Whatever it was also rutted around in my garlic, so luckily they did not unearth the garlic. Alright, we're going to catch this little guy, whoever he is. Yes, we are.